Good morning students. So today we are starting next exercise of chapter number 4. The page number 29 and exercise number 8 is there. So the mainly topic is subtraction of larger numbers. So we are going to do the subtraction of larger numbers. So question A is there now. So if you know the subtraction, it's very easy for you to do this type of sums. 6380 and here 3 9 5 7 1 8. Okay, so do the subtraction. Here it's 0, so you have to take a carry. It would be 10 and it would be 7, and here what remains? 7 remains, and now 7 is not subtractable from 9, you have to take a carry, so it would be 8, and here it remains 2, and same way you have to take a carry. 7, here it would be 5, and here it would be 15, here it would be 8, and here it would be 4, it would be 3, 7 is not again subtracted, 17, 9 would be there, and 2 is there, and 8 is there. So this is the answer. So this is the basic rule of subtraction. You should know that. I will not do each and every question, so I can try a sum from A side, question number 1, part number 1, and there is a part number 2. Like question number 2 is there na, and A sum is there. What is that sum? Says 2 3 7 0 6 7 3 9, and number is 5 3 6 8 2 6 7. You have to subtract it. Okay, so it would be 4, it would be 0, it would be 1, but it would not be subtracted. So you have to take carry. It would be 1 6, and here it would remain 9, here it would remain 6, it would be 8, it would be 7, it would be 0, and you know it would be 13 6, that is 1. So this is the answer. So these are the basic rules of subtraction. So exercise number 9 is there, page number 30 is there. Okay, and there are the word equations related to subtraction. So he says, question number 1 says, what must be added to this to make it equal to this number? So it's a bigger number. What you should add to this number in order to make it to this number? Okay, the question is like this. Solution number 1, let number to be added is equal to x. Suppose you are adding x. Okay, he says what should be added to this number. So what you should add to this number? You should add something. Something means you should add x. We don't know what we have to add, so we will suppose it as x, so that it should become equal to 7 0 0 0 0 0. So this is according to question. Okay, ATQ means according to question. So here it is in the plus mode. If it is goes on that side, it will become subtractive in nature. So x is equals to 7 0 0 0 0 0 0. Here it would be 3 6 0 6 5 and 6 9. It would be in subtraction mode. Now you subtract it. 0 would be there. Okay, that would be there. Here it would be 10 9 9 9 9, and it would be 10. It would be 4 6 4 3 0, and here it is 6, so 0. So this is the answer, 34,640. So x equals to 34,640. So this is the answer. So now you should try question number 2. So these are the word equations, but they are related to subtraction, so don't worry about them. They are very simple. The cost of a car, one, there is a car and a flat means house. The cost means total cost of car plus a house is 104,78,930. And if the simple individual cost of car is 15,23,485, what is the cost of the house? So total is given and the cost of car is given. Suppose there are total 10 rupees are given to Ram and Sham. Total 10 rupees are given to Ram and Sham, and Ram have got 4 rupees. So what amount of rupees Sham is going to get? You will subtract the total rupees that is given to Ram and Sham. You will subtract the rupees that is taken by the Ram. So you will get the rupees that is obtained by the Sham, like this. So he has given the total of car plus house, and he has given what is the cost of car. From the total cost, you must subtract the cost of car. You are going to get the cost of a house. So it's a word equation, but don't worry. So cost of house and car. Flat means house. House and car. Total cost. So it would be equals to 104,78,930 rupees. And the cost of car is equals to rupees 15,23,485. So the cost of house is, if you want to calculate the cost of house, you will subtract total cost of car and house. So the total cost of house is equals to the total cost of house plus car minus cost of car, and total cost was 104,78,930 minus 1,523,485. So it is 104,78,930 485.2350, and you have to subtract it. So it would be 2, it would be 10, 5 would be there, it would be 12, 4 would be there, 8 would be there, 4, 5 and 5, and it would be 9, 40, 9 would be there, and 8 would be there, and 0 would be there. So this is the total cost of yours, 8 lakh. So this is the total cost, 89 lakh 55,445. 89 lakh 55,445. So this is answer. Question number 3. The number of people speaking Bengali in the world is 193,000,000, and the speaking English is this much. How many more speak English than Bengali? The question is like that. Suppose Ram is having 10 rupees and Sham is having 7 rupees. How many more rupees Ram have than Sham? So you have to subtract the rupees of Sham from Ram. Then you know 3 rupees they are more holded by Ram than Sham. So this same question is like that. So number of people speaking Bengali, number of people speaking Bengali, that is equals to 193000 and 000, and number of people speaking English in the word. So number of people speaking English in the world is 3350 00 and 000. So number of people speaking more English than Bengali, more English than Bengali. So you have to subtract the people that are speaking this English from the, you have to subtract the Bengali from English. So subtracted 3350 00 000, and here would be 00 00 30 19, subtracted 0 0 0 0 0 0 2, it would be 14. So this is the answer. So this is all for today. The rest we will take in the next lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.